Back with you for Folding Hunter Friday, following up on several other knife tubers that knife nuts that post here. I'm gonna post my collection so far of the Bucks 110 Hunter series, from the classic clip point, nickel silver clip point, nickel silver drop point, and the 110 nickel silver drop point S30V custom model. Four of my favorite knives, like I said, and they are the Lockback Hunters Folding Hunter series. A lot of you knife nuts out there collect and also use them. This one's for sure in my collection department, the S30V drop point. I got last year on a really great deal, normal $124.99. I got for $99.99. It's a great knife. That is a knife. Really stout, sturdy blade. Great closing sound. Wonderful knives. But we can't discount the classic. The classic Buck 110 clip point Hunter. I think they're still $64, $65.99 in that range in the Buck website. I think you can get them $64 or something like that on the Walmart Tractor Supply. Over the last 2 years, they've held their price pretty well. They went up drastically, of course, from 2000, but they are a mainstay. This is a good working knife, everyday knife. This is an EDC for a lot of people. They put the thumb stud opening on it. I don't particularly need that feature because I have the Spitfire. The 722 Spitfire is a great large EDC buck knife. Easier to open, lighter weight than this. These are on near 7 ounces, I think. Good weight to them. Want to beat a bear or something like that with it. They are just sweet. And then there's the clip point nickel silver version with the 428C steel. But same great feel. Has a rich man's feel to it. The brass is by no means cheaply made. The 110 drop point nickel silver bolstered with 428C steel. My only complaint about it is you get fingerprints all over everything. Makes you want to get out the cleaning cloth every time you hold it. And they all have the ebony handles, even the custom S30V, Bossy Treat. These are sweet knives. I noticed that the 428C blade has no nail nick to it for opening, and the S30V model has the nail nick to it. The nail nick's extra on the S30V blade. Pretty cool though. They're all Buck, all absolutely superb knives. Right there. Yeah. Folding Hunter Friday. And a beautiful run of knives. The Buck 110s all have the same sheath standard sheath made in Mexico for the company. Excellent quality sheaths, real durable, handy. You can get custom sheaths for the 110. USA made out of different tones of leather, different types. They're more some of them are more pliable. These are pretty sturdy though. I have no complaint about the buck sheaths for the 110 folding hunter. Buck custom S30V model that I cut my finger on a few seconds ago. Had to do a bandage break. Those knives, blades are sharp. They're not kidding. They come. The next drop point being the 428C. Drops like a guillotine on you if you're not careful. .110 428C clip point, nickel silver. And the 420 brass bolstered, brass bolstered framed ebony handled standard buck 110. Still got to watch out for. Somebody had to always have to remind myself. Pay attention. Knives can be sharp. Loving it. 110 buck folding hunter Friday. Buck is my favorite knife company. Along with, I know a lot of you out there are also of the same mind. God bless all you knife nuts. Remember that Jesus loves you. I pray for all of you. Be safe.